Okay, so we want to have a look at, like the prep says, how to, or like the beginning of the task says, how to record rhythmic sounds on synthesizers or in synthesizers. So what we're going to do, we're just going to look at a number of presets on different Native Instruments synths to do that. So to do that, we'll go to Select Synth, AU Instruments, Native Instruments, and then let's start with Massive, shall we, on stereo. So on there, the browser will come up. And on the browser, here, what we can see is there's a lot of different types of synths we can use. We can, there's synth attributes in browser there, so make sure you click on browser. Let's go on tempo synced, okay? And all of these will be synced to the tempo of your project. So at the moment it's 120. Let's change it to 150. Then if we just try a couple of these sounds, see what they are, just randomly select them. Bit strange. Okay, let's try percussive as well. So now I've got two things selected, tempo synced and also percussive. Nice. I'm going to just record this because I think it sounds quite cool. So, here we go. We'll quantize that, then see what it sounds like. We'll also force legato it so all the notes go to the edge of each other, like that. Let's have a listen to what that sounds like now. Nice, okay. What we're going to add now is some other bits and bobs. We'll go on a different synth, let's try. So, Native Instruments again, let's try FM8. FM8 is an FM synth. Let's look here. So, if we look at percussive, let's try. So, let's try some. Attack kick. Let's try that, let's just put in some snares. And quantize that. Great. Does the pitch change? Okay, let's have it with that pitch. Now let's add another track. And on FM8, let's change from that. Let's go to perhaps, So let's try absinthe. Okay, so let's try tempo synced and see what they got there. Interesting. Well, we could put it up loads of octaves and see what happens. Maybe it'll create a nice effect. No. Yeah, let's record this and turn it down a lot, just so it's like a nice background sort of noise. Here we go. Quantize that again. Okay, interesting. And now what we can do as well, let's perhaps try and make a bass drum sound or something just out of a simple synth. So Here we've got synthesizer 1. Let's put this on, see what we can create. So we've kind of got, some rhythmic sweeps or some rhythmic sounds there, as well as perhaps a snare sound here. Let's try and add a kick. So, change the octave down, obviously. Then how are we going to do this? Well, you need to select a waveform that isn't too synth-like or hasn't got much high end. Turn the cutoff down. And obviously play it low in the octaves as well here. And we want the attack to be very short, the decay also to be very short, basically no sustain, and also perhaps the release to be up there as well. So it's kind of got a pitch to it now as well, which is nice. I think that'll do, really. Let's have a go. And let's loop that as well. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. And that's just using synthesizers, so no samples or anything there, no kind of drummers or anything like that. So that's the sort of thing that I'd like you to do for starting the next unit. The main thing is just to be very, very experimental. Go on synths that you've never been on before, because they've literally got thousands of presets that you can use. So have a click around, create some rhythmic ideas. Really, there is no wrong answers at all for this. Some of the best tracks and sounds came from mistakes. So experiment as much as you can. Show me what you've done in the next lesson, but I would like to see a lot of experimentation and a lot of ideas. Thank you very much for watching.